Well, most people did stay home instead of flying. One Connecticut basketball team did try their luck at trying to catch a plane to Atlanta. The Yale Bulldogs pulled up to Bradley International Airport just before 6:30 this morning, hoping to catch a flight. Luckily for them, their flight was just one of two that did take off from Bradley this morning. After a slow drive up from New Haven, the Bulldogs felt lucky that they made this flight on time.
The board only has 2 flights that are not canceled, so we got a little lucky today.
Team is hoping that their luck will hold to the court on Saturday when they face Georgia Tech.